Hi everyone, I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Welcome back.
Today, we have a question for you. Have you ever wanted to quit? Not just English, anything. A dream, a goal, something important.
Maybe you studied English for weeks. Then one day you thought, I'm not improving. Maybe English is not for me. Maybe I should stop.
If you have ever felt that way, this story is for you. And here's something interesting. At the end of the story, tell us, what was the real reason Liam almost gave up? Was it English or was it something else? Let's find out.
Meet Liam. Liam was 22 years old. He had a dream. He wanted a better job. And for that job, he needed English.
Every day Liam studied. He watched videos. He learned new words. He listened to podcasts. He practiced speaking. At first, he felt excited, very excited.
But after a few months, something changed. His English was better, but he could not see it. He made mistakes. He forgot words. Sometimes he spoke very slowly.
One evening, Liam looked at his notebook. Then he sighed. He said, "Why am I doing this? I'm still not good. Maybe I should quit."
The next day, Liam met his friend Noah. Noah asked, "How's your English?" Liam laughed. Not a happy laugh, a tired laugh. Honestly, I'm thinking about giving up.
Noah looked surprised. Giving up? Why? Liam replied, "Because I'm not improving. I keep making mistakes. Other people speak better than me."
Noah smiled. Then he asked a simple question. Can you understand more English than 6 months ago? Liam nodded. Yes. Can you speak more than 6 months ago? Yes. Can you have simple conversations now? Yes.
Noah smiled again. Then he said, "You're improving. You're just looking at what you can't do. You're not looking at what you can do."
Liam became quiet, very quiet, because Noah was right. He focused on his mistakes, not his progress.
That night, Liam made a decision. He would not quit. He would keep going, one day at a time, one conversation at a time, one sentence at a time, and little by little, he became more confident.
Now imagine this. You meet someone. They ask, "What are your goals?" Many English learners don't know what to say. Let's practice together.
Listen to this conversation. "Hi, what are you working on these days?"
I'm trying to improve my English.
"That's great. Why are you learning English?"
I want a better job, and I want to speak confidently.
"Sounds like a good goal. How is it going?"
Some days are difficult, but I'm doing my best.
That's the right attitude. Keep going. You'll get there.
Simple, natural, real English, and very useful.
Let's hear some useful phrases again. Listen carefully.
I'm trying to improve my English.
I want a better job.
I'm doing my best.
Some days are difficult.
Keep going.
You'll get there.
I'm thinking about giving up.
Don't be too hard on yourself.
One day at a time.
Believe in yourself.
These are not just words. They are phrase chunks. Native speakers use them often. Let's look at them naturally.
I'm trying to improve my English. You can also say, I'm trying to improve my speaking. I'm trying to improve my confidence.
I'm doing my best. This means you are giving your effort. Maybe not perfect, but honest effort.
Keep going. Very powerful. Very simple. Never forget it.
One day at a time. Don't worry about next year. Focus on today.
Believe in yourself, because confidence starts inside you.
Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. Speak out loud. Don't be shy. Ready?
Question 1. Why are you learning English? Answer now. Great.
Question 2. What is one goal you have this year? Say it out loud. Excellent.
Question 3. Have you ever wanted to give up? What happened? Answer in English. Good job.
Now shadowing practice. Repeat after me. I'm trying to improve my English. Again. I'm trying to improve my English.
Repeat after me. I'm doing my best. Again. I'm doing my best.
One day at a time. Again. One day at a time.
I believe in myself. Again. I believe in myself. Wonderful.
Let's review. 5 useful phrases.
I'm trying to improve, meaning I want to become better. I'm doing my best, meaning I'm giving my full effort. Keep going, meaning don't stop. One day at a time, meaning focus on today. Believe in yourself, meaning trust yourself.
Now 5 useful words. Goal, something you want to achieve. Challenge, something difficult. Progress, getting better little by little. Confidence, believing in yourself. Effort, the energy you put into something.
Before we finish, we want to tell you something important. You do not need perfect English today. You do not need perfect English tomorrow.
Every sentence helps. Every mistake teaches you something. Every practice session matters, even when it feels small.
Maybe your progress feels slow. That's okay. Slow progress is still progress.
The people who succeed are not always the smartest. Often, they are simply the people who did not quit.
So please remember, don't give up on yourself. Not today, not tomorrow, not next week. Keep moving forward.
Let's go back to Liam. Remember him? He wanted a better job. He wanted better English. Then he felt frustrated.
He said, I'm thinking about giving up, but his friend reminded him, keep going. Believe in yourself, one day at a time.
And slowly, Liam noticed his progress. Not all at once, little by little. Just like many English learners, maybe just like you.
Now we want to hear from you. Write one sentence in English. What goal are you working on right now? And why is it important to you?
And if this episode helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and most importantly, don't give up on yourself.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.